All right, so wrap up. Here at the Dallas Comic Show at the Richardson Civic Center was amazingly awesome. As I've said before and in various places, this is its inaugural year, actually the second show of the year. They had another one back in April. They're going to do this again. This is going to be cut and spliced a lot. Overall, this was a really exciting show. Really great people to talk to. Adam Baldwin was here. Peter Mayhew was here. Now you're going to see this photo right here. I was not allowed to video him, but I was allowed to take a picture with him, so that's why you're not seeing him in the B-roll. But he was absolutely awesome to talk to. Overall, it's a lot smaller than the big cons you see in May and October, but it's really comfortable, and it's just very community. Everybody hangs out. This is nerd heaven. I highly recommend this. When this comes back next year, you gotta go. Get there, get the tickets, find out about it. Done.